Hello, it's Amanda from Greensboro Public Library here to show you some tips from Homegrown Herbs, available on your NC Digital Library with your Greensboro Public Library card. Today's video is about pruning your oregano plant and how to dry the leaves for long-term cooking use. So the plant will continue to sprout leaves over time, you want to nip the stem right above a budding leaf sprout. Be mindful not to over-prune so the plant will continue to flourish throughout the year. Pick the leaves off as close to the stem as you can without damaging the smaller ones. This is because you can place these sturdier stems in a small glass of water to continue to grow them until they're ready to be harvested as well. By snipping off the weakened tip of these stems, it helps to encourage growth. A good method for drying oregano leaves is to place them in an opened brown paper bag and to simply shake them daily for 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time with Cooking with the NC Digital Library. Have a great day!